machon kod mago mochayo oro mondo konye tieko nok mar chiemo kod lokruok mar chal mar kor lwasi. Kwayo makamago biro e kinde chiwo chiemo kod kothe manotim kod riwruok mano mar jochiw sira mar maendeleo endelevu na jumuishi komakore kod 10 county ma Migori.
Kwenye maonyesho ya leo nimeleta uji wa habagi. Wajaluo wanaita uji wa habagi. Sasa huo uji ulikuwa unatengeneza kwa ulezi, halafu inalala siku moja, kesho yake unakunywa. Huo uji ulikuwa uhitaji sana sukari. Ulikuwa unaweza kunywa tu unasikia utamu wake. Ndio maana tunapenda uji wa zamani.
The conversation here is how do we get back to the basics. Basics here includes getting back to our traditional foods, getting back to our traditional farming systems. And those systems are actually important and effective because of the climate change that we keep experiencing. Today, with the kind of rainfall uncertainties that we have, it is becoming necessary that we go back to our traditional farming systems and our traditional crops, and that is what was being displayed here to the local communities.
Today we've been displaying or showcasing the indigenous meals that we have, that we prepare in our indigenous way, that some of them we are forgetting, but it's important that we remind our people to go back to them. The reason that has happened is we decided to get away from our crops that used to work for us and tried to embrace only monoculture and majorly maize only, and it has become a problem.